Also, variation in provider training for technology use. So I have personally spent basically from January to now almost full time doing research on this technology, going to the convention, conversations with multiple people to make sure every time I had a question about something, just to make sure that we deliver the best quality that we can. So you could also potentially have all this equipment but not know how to use it correctly. So I have made sure that our physical therapists, we have spent months training since January on this technology to make sure that everybody is using it the most effective way and backing up with research. And if things come up with questions, we have resources. The company that we got the technology from is very good at getting back to us and helping us if we have any questions as things go on.